Hi, my name is Anna Diaz, and I'll be showing you 2 ways on how to solve alligation math problems for your pharmacy calculations class. I hope that you find this video super helpful and easier to follow if you're having any trouble with this concept. So today we're going to learn about some math problems that involve alligation. And there's really 2 ways to do these math problems. One is the concentration volume relationship, which is this equation. So it's C1 V1 equals C2 V2. And what this equation is saying is that the original concentration multiplied by the original volume should equal the new concentration multiplied by your new volume. So that is one method to perform the alligation calculation problems. The other method is the tic-tac-toe method. So for the tic-tac-toe method, what you do is you make a tic-tac-toe map. Over on this left column, you're going to put the strengths of the active ingredients that you're given. And you want to put the higher percent up at the top. This is your higher percent given, or what the stock concentration is. And then you want to put the lower percent of your stock concentration that's given on the bottom. In the center, you want to put the desired strength. So the concentration that you're trying to make given these 2 stock solutions. And what you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and subtract diagonally. So you're going to subtract the lower percent from the desired strength and the higher percent from the desired strength. So going in this direction and in this direction. So up here would be the desired strength minus the lower percent. And here would be the desired minus the higher percent. So then this number actually becomes the parts needed of the higher percent stock solution. And this one becomes the parts needed of the lower percent. So this should all make more sense using a word problem and using it mathematically. It will make a lot more sense. So now we're going to go ahead and do two word problems. One with C1V1 equals C2V2 and the other one with the tic-tac-toe method. So this first problem reads, how many quarts of diluent need to be added to 4 pints of a 75% weight per volume stock solution to make a 20% weight per volume solution, round to the nearest tenth? So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and show how to use C1V1 equals C2V2. So first, we can go ahead and note what are our concentrations and what are our volumes. So the first given volume is the 4 pints. So that could be your first volume. Your first concentration given is the 75% stock solution. So that will be your C1. Now we're looking for V2. So the V2 is what we're looking for. The 20% that's given will be our second concentration. So a quick way to do this would just to be plug in all the information given. So we have 75 times 4 equals, we have 20%, and we're looking for V2. So putting this in the calculator, V2 would equal 15 pints. And since it says it needs to be added to a solution with already 4 pints in it, we want to go ahead and subtract 4 pints. Because the volume we just found is the total volume we need, and we already have 4 pints. So that'll go ahead and give us 11 pints. And now we're almost done. All we have to do is convert pints to quarts, which is very simple. 2 pints equals 1 quart. So we want to go ahead and just divide this by 2, and we'll get our answer of 5.5 quarts. So that's a good problem to show how to use the C1V1 method. Now for the second problem I have, we're going to go ahead and use tic-tac-toe to do this one. The question reads, how many